Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I install this super quick and easy closure wig. So continue watching. So today's video is sponsored by Allove Hair Company. I'm just showing you guys what I received in my package. So I got this thank you card with all their information. I also received a bag with the goodies. I got a claw clip inside of it, a wig hanger, an edge control brush, a wig cap, and of course the wig itself. And I'm just showing you guys the details on the packaging. So this is how the wig looks straight out the package, guys. I'm just giving you guys a close-up look of the curls. As I said before, this is a kinky curly wig. So because this was a 14-inch, it was super dense. So I'm just showing you guys it is a 5x5 closure. It has two combs, at the side and one comb at the back. It also comes with the adjustable bands, of course, and it also has an other band inside for security, and it also comes with the silicone grip inside of it. So this is how the wig looks on my skin. I'm just showing you guys the lace, and it did come a bit pre-plucked as well, so it really needed no work. And I'm just showing you guys this lace was also pre-cut, so you really had to do nothing to it except for put it on. So I'm just showing you guys quickly how it is looking, and we're gonna get straight into this install. So as always, my hair is braided back into 6 straight backs. So you wanna make sure your braids are always nice and flat. And then I'm going in with my wig cap, and I'm just going to put it on my head. If you're not new here, you know I do not do the bald cap method. So we're just going to slide that wig cap back a bit and add the concealer. So I am using my Too Faced concealer in the color caramel, and I'm just applying that at the front of the wig cap and also on the back of the lace closure. So I'm just giving you guys a look of how the wig looks. This is basically a bob, guys. So we're gonna go and put this on. I like to use the comb at the back of the wig and stick it at the back of my wig cap and just pull the wig up. So of course, once you pull the wig forward, you wanna also make sure your parting is in the middle, because this wig did come in a middle part. And I'm just laughing because honestly, it's just that easy, guys. Like putting on the wig, everything is already done for you. So I'm just making sure that this fits me nice and secure, and that is it. That is literally it. I'm just lifting the wig up to show you guys. You can literally put it on and take it off. This is a glueless unit. So I'm just going in with my concealer again, and I'm just tapping that onto the lace at the front, just so that I can have a better blend. Now I'm going to be using my wax stick, and I'm just applying that to the top of the lace closure, and I'm using my hot comb to just flatten it. This is just to make the lace lay flatter. It is not necessary, but if you do like to have your lace sitting nice and flat and sleek, I do suggest doing this. So as you can see, one side is super flat and one side is still curly. So now that I finished hot combing the hair, I am just parting out my baby hairs, and I am going to cut them because this didn't come with baby hairs already, because the wig is literally meant to be that simple for you. But I like doing baby hairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and create my own baby hairs on this wig, so you can just watch me as I do that. So once I've finished creating the baby hairs, I'm gonna go in with this small brush and some of my concealer, and I'm just going to conceal the part. As you can see, you could still see like the thickness in the wig cap, so I'm just trying to conceal the part so it kind of blends. Now I'm just using my water bottle and I am spraying the hair with some water just to loosen up the curls a bit. And you just want to spray it all over, or you could leave it in the natural state. It all just depends on how you like your curls to look. I wanted the curls to be more relaxed, so I went in and I just sprayed the hair. Once I was finished, I went in with my olive oil mousse and I just applied that to the hair as well, just to keep the curls intact, because you know sometimes your hair can also become a bit puffy after a while. So after applying the mousse, I was basically done. I went in with my shine spray and I just sprayed that all over. This one was from Paul Mitchell, and I also like applying it to the lace. So as you can see, the wig is not glued down, guys, and this is how it is looking. I thought it was super cute. I also went in with my olive oil sheen and I sprayed the hair, and that was it. So I'm gonna be back to show you guys the final look. So this is how it's looking. I just went and changed my top. I hope you guys liked this hairstyle. This was a super quick and easy install. Shout out to Allove Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in the hair details, it will all be listed down below. But as I said, this is a kinky, curly, glueless lace closure wig in 14 inches. So all their information will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. And you guys know I'm just shaking my head showing you guys, like, girl, this is quick and simple, and that's what we love. So if you have been here this long, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how you feel about these glueless wigs, because girl, I've been doing some glueless wigs and they have been saving my life. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.